Hi friends, it's Carmen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have something special for you. We're out on the balcony. It's a beautiful day here in Phoenix. About probably 85 degrees outside, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And look what I got. I got some plant mail. This is very special plant mail. I won a giveaway from a very special and gracious lady named Peggy from Peggy's Tropical Garden. She's in Florida. If you haven't watched her videos, you need to go watch them because she lives in beautiful Key West, Florida, and she has an amazing garden and an amazing indoor collection too. So these are the plants that I purchased with a $25 gift card that I won from a giveaway on her channel. No reason for the giveaway. She just wanted to be nice and give back to people. So that's how wonderful she is. So I just got it and I want to share with you the unboxing. I know what they are, but I'm going to share with you now, okay? So the gift card was $25 and it was from Planet Desert. They are in Fallbrook, California. I'm not sure. I believe that may be northern. I don't know. I'll have to check it out. But they had quite a bit of rare plants. I selected 2 aloes because I wanted to expand my aloe collection. So there's they're very responsive too, because when I checked out, for some reason my old address showed up on my PayPal because I was like little bit over the gift card amount, and when I checked out with PayPal, it brought up my old address. So I immediately emailed, I think his name is Mark, and he was very responsive and made the correction right away. So they're very well packed with craft paper, so definitely can use this for something else. And look at that. This is, look at it because I want to make sure I get, yeah, Aloe aristata. This was $7.99. Very well packaged. It comes with a tag, so that's good. Get those little, not furry, but stringy. So take the rubber bands off. I'm not sure if I'm going to repot these right away because excuse me, looks like it's in a 3.5, about a 3.5 inch container. I'm sure the soil is really good with pumice and all the things that keep this little guy happy. Aloe aristata. Look at that, friends. New growth. Oh, look at that. It's got a baby. Baby alert. I may put it in another pot, the nursery pot within a pot, to, you know, maybe just for aesthetic reasons, but I like the way it's growing in this one, and I don't think I'm going to switch it out. But I am going to keep that there because I'll forget the name if I don't. Next one. Oh, yes. You know me, I like variegated. This is the Aloe Blizzard. I've been looking for this guy. I was going to get the Aloe Christmas, but they were out. Okay, let's see here. There's one that goes over the other first. There we go. Very well packaged. Oh, isn't he a beaut? Aloe Blizzard. Nice rocks. Looks like it's happy in its nursery. Look at that. Very healthy new growth in there. Throw those off. Look how pretty they are. Such nice plants to add to my collection. Very nice. Thank you so much, Planet Desert. I'll leave a link below to their website and a link to Peggy's channel also. But I felt so blessed that I felt like I needed to go out and play the lottery or something. Thank you so much, Peggy, for this gift card, and for Planet Desert getting these to me so quickly and in the right address and everything. Great response. The plants look wonderful. I will definitely check them out again. There you have it, friends. I'll give you a last look here where I place them on my balcony. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe if you're not already, to check out more balcony gardening and houseplant gardening videos. I've got some more projects coming up for you. This week I am going to be doing a succulent Christmas tree. You don't want to miss that. That is going to be so cool. And some other things, some house tours, some plans that I have for Kristen's bedroom when she moves out. So if you want to see those, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks so much, friends. Have a blessed day.